It's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this eye look right here that I wore in Saturday's and in Monday's video. It is just this really pretty lavender eyeshadow look that I came up with. I thought it was really pretty. Pastels are a huge trend right now over on Instagram, and I'm just in love with it. I actually really love pastel colors, so I'm like all for this trend. Be on the lookout for some more pastel eyeshadow looks because I've just been getting really inspired since we're all having to stay indoors right now. So with all that being said though, let's go ahead and get right on into this eyeshadow look. Going into my Spoiled Cosmetics Volume 4 palette, I'm going to take the light lavender lilac shade and I'm going to be applying that to the outer half of my lid and in my crease using this tiny little detailed brush. Going into my NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take the light lavender shade and I'm going to pop that into my inner half. I'm actually going to have to layer that shadow up a bit because it is a bit on the kind of lighter side. So you kind of have to build it up a little bit. I'm probably going to use about 2 layers because that's what I had to do for this eye. But that is just the shadow that I'm going to be using for the inner half of my eye. Into my Jeffree Star Cosmetics and Shane Dawson collaboration, the Mini Controversy palette, I'm going to take the shade Exposed, and with this little flat shader brush, I'm going to be popping that onto the center of my lid. Going into my Aurora Lights eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to take the shade Prismatic and the shade Ombre, and I'm going to pop the shade Prismatic onto the center of my lid, and then I'm going to pop the shade Ombre into the inner half. So now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes with the e.l.f. eyelash curler, and then I'm going to be applying some mascara. The mascara that I'm going to be using today is just the Believe Beauty Extended Lash Lengthening Mascara, and this is the mascara that I'm going to be using for my upper lashes. Alright, now I'm going to be applying a false eyelash to my eye, and I'm using the Cara lashes. These are in the style 505, and when I originally did this look on Monday and Saturday, I actually used my Red lashes from AOA Studio, but I really wanted to see how this eye look would look with the Cara lashes, so that's why I'm using these today instead. I'm back, and I have to say I had the easiest eyelash application that I have ever had today, so that is a big win and a big score for today. I did go off camera like normal and I did my complexion and everything, so now we're going to hop back in and we're going to finish up the eyes. So I'm going to smudge a little bit of that lavender shadow from the Spoiled Cosmetics palette underneath my lower lash line. Then after that, I am going to take a little teeny tiny bit of this white eyeliner and run it along my waterline. This is just from LA Colors. This is their auto liner, and it's basically a pencil eyeliner, but it's not one that you have to sharpen. The reason they call it audio is because you just twist it up. I actually really like their eyeliners, which is pretty weird because this is a very, very cheap brand. And then I'm going to use a little bit of bottom lash mascara, and I'm going to go on with the Maybelline Falsies. Bronzer today, I'm going to be using my Cèate London mini bronzer. This is just in the shade Bamboo Bronzer, and this is just one of my current favorite everyday bronzers. It's super matte, which is why I love it, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this big fluffy brush. I'm going to be using this Cargo Blush and Bronzer Duo. The blush that I'm going to be using, I think this is in the shade Catalina. I'm not 100% positive because on the back here, it just says Catalina and Medium. So I'm assuming that the blush is in the shade Catalina and that the bronzer is in the shade Medium. I haven't really played around with this little blush and bronzer duo too much, so I really don't know my feelings on it. Now I'm going to be using a highlighter, and for highlight, I'm going to be using the Estate highlighter in the shade Do It Me. This is a really pretty blinding highlight that I absolutely love and I'm absolutely obsessed with. The packaging kind of gives me like Kylie Jenner vibes a little bit because it kind of reminds me of like her new packaging, because some of her stuff is packaged in this really pretty light pink color. But anyway, I'm going to be using this Chico highlight brush to apply the highlight to the high points of my cheekbones. Last but certainly not least is lips, and then we're done. So for lips, I'm going to be going in with my Kylie Jenner lip kit. This is in the shade Coco K. So I'm going to be going in with the lip liner first, and then I'm going to be going over that with the liquid lipstick. Everyone, so that is it for my lavender eyeshadow makeup tutorial. I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well if you haven't already, so that way you can come back and join my unicorns, because we have a lot of fun here on this channel. I post and upload new videos every Thursdays, Saturdays, and Mondays at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time. And also, don't forget to give me a follow over on social media, so that way you can keep up with me over there as well. So with all that being said, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye, my little unicorns.